you a tip. All the girls with nails that like to get their nails done. I just learned this. A little tab on your ID so you can take it out of your wallet. So much easier when you're at the store or anywhere that you are asked to show your ID, and you gotta dig in your little purse and your little wallet, and your nails don't let you get your ID. Just put a little tab on your credit cards, your ID, and it makes it so much easier to get your cards out. Hope you like it. Remember to hit like and subscribe, and see you guys later. Bye.
Get to making with jive, boy, big shot. When it hits you, yes, 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 you shot. When it hits you, yes, 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 yes. When it hits you, yes, 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 you shot. When it hits you, yes.